you guys. I just was taking a look at some of the work that you did with your multi-step linear inequalities, and I wanted to do a couple more examples with you so that I can really highlight for you some of the things that I'm seeing. Give me a few seconds to make sure that I'm writing everything correctly and making it easy enough for you to read it, and I'll do my best to get my handle on this tool, how I'm supposed to use it on the screen and everything. Okay. So let's say, for instance, I am solving 2 minus x has to be greater than or equal to 8. Well, the first thing I need to do is make sure I'm getting x by itself. And some people are still having a hard time remembering that when you're doing a two-step inequality like this, or any two-step equation even like this, the first thing you have to do is get a start with the number part of it, the constant term. I am going to subtract 2. Now, I do that to both sides of the inequality. Is that multiplication or division of a negative number? No. But one of the things I do have to pay attention to is the fact that this makes 0 right here. If that's 0, and then I take away x, and this stays greater than or equal to, and 8 minus 2 is 6. Then when I have 0 and I take away x, I get a negative x is greater than or equal to 6. This is not finished. We're not done. There's really a 1 in front of that x. That coefficient is actually a negative 1, right? So I have to finish this problem. This is a negative 1 being multiplied by x. And I have to undo that by division of negative 1. Well, there it is, folks. That is the step that I have to be really careful of. Because when I multiply or divide by a negative number, this inequality also has to switch. So let's go ahead and see what we get. A negative 1 divided by a negative 1 is a positive x. When I switch the inequality here, I get less than or equal to, and 6 divided by negative 1 is negative 6.